Hey, I'm Brian Palm. I'm one of the injectors at the Beauty Barn, and today we're going to be talking about Botox. So Botox is a treatment that we use to help people look more refreshed, youthful, and brighter by softening expression lines and wrinkles in our face. Most patients come into the Beauty Barn wanting to look more youthful, brighter, but they don't want people to know that they've gotten Botox before. So the goal of the injectors here at the Beauty Barn, myself included, is that we want people to look at you and say, wow, she looks good, she looks more refreshed, without actually knowing why that is. So typically the way that our consultations go is that we determine exactly the areas of concern for our patients, and then we address ways that we can help alleviate those concerns that our patients have. The first thing that we do in the procedure is we clean the areas that we are going to treat to help fight any kind of infection or poor outcomes. So for our patient today, her main concerns are the lines across her eyebrows. Some people call them frown lines. Her eyes across her forehead, and then her crow's feet, which are the kind of smile lines on the sides of her eyes. We inject a small amount of Botox into these areas to help soften the expression and the amount of muscle contraction to help alleviate those lines. So sometimes what your injectors will do is have you make the expression so they can see exactly where those muscles attach and where the most activity from those muscles are so we can target them. Typically for first-time Botox patients, we give ourselves anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes depending on how many areas of concern that they have. The Botox treatment procedure typically only takes a few minutes. It's very quick. Most of our consultations revolve around the patient's concerns, their hesitations, and then expected outcomes. It takes about 2 weeks for the full results of Botox to take effect. Patients usually start to notice some results within the first few days or so, but full results for Botox, it takes about 2 weeks. Patients receiving a standard dose of Botox will notice the effects of the Botox for about 3 to 4 months before they need an additional treatment. For patients that receive a Botox treatment here at the Beauty Barn, we offer a 2-week follow-up appointment just to check and make sure that your results are perfect. Sometimes there are blood vessels below the surface of the skin that we just can't see that can cause some minor bruising that typically resolves within a few days. For those that are planning on receiving a Botox treatment, it's not recommended that you consume alcohol or over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medication within 24 hours of your procedure. After you've received your Botox treatment, we typically recommend not laying down for 4 to 6 hours after your procedure. Additional alcohol intake after Botox treatment can exacerbate some bruising. And my biggest recommendation after a Botox procedure is no kickboxing. Botox is one of our most popular treatments at the Beauty Barn. We would love to talk to you and see if you're a candidate.